Hello everyone, and today we are going to see some figure of speech. Okay, what is the figure of speech? Yeah, the alliteration, rhyming words, simile, metaphor, those are the figure of speech. Now let me see the first question. Of the forest's ferny floor. This is one of the poem line from our poem. So pick out the words alliterated. What is the meaning for alliteration? How we can pick up the word, particular alliterated word? That's nothing but, yeah, you can see in this line we can see the word started with F letter 3 times. Yeah, forest, ferny, floor. So here the alliterated means nothing but in the words which start with the same letters. Okay, in this line we can see the three words can start with the same letter F. So these are the alliterated words: forest, ferny and floor. So these three were the alliterated. It is nothing but we can find out the word in particular line with the same letter, same starting letter. Yes. And next one, pick out the rhyming words from the poem. Yeah, let me see the poem and we can find out the rhyming words from that poem. Okay. Before going into the poem lines, I want to ask you a question. What is mean by rhyming words? It is nothing but the word end with the same sound at the end of a poem line. A word end with the same sound at particular, if there is a particular two lines, means that in that last the two words want to give the same sound, and that is known as the rhyming words. Let me see. Here is the poem. Now let me see what are the rhyming words are present in this poem. Okay. First one, traveler door. Is that creating a rhyming word sense? No. It's or. Or. So it doesn't give the rhyming word. Next line, gases, turret. Is that giving the rhyming word? No. It doesn't make the sense of rhyming word. Next one, the last word is head. Head. Sometimes we can found on the third line. If we found this word on the, sometimes we can't able to find the rhyming word on the next line. We can also find that on the third line or fourth line. Third line, okay. So here is a head, and next line is time, and on the next line it is said. So head, said, ed. It create a same sound. So these two were considered to be the rhyming words, head and said. Next, traveler, time, no. Traveler, sill, no. Sill, ice, no. Sill, still. Yes, it gives the sound ill. Sill and still. So these were the rhyming words, the another rhyming word. And the next one, listeners, then, no. Then, moonlight, no. Listeners, moonlight, no. Then, men. Yeah, it gives the sound n. So then and men are the another rhyming words. And stare, hall, no. Stare, shaken, no. Hall, shaken, no. Hall, call. Yeah, it ends with the sound all. So hall and call are the another rhyming words. So in this poem we are having 4 rhyming words: head and said, sill and still, then and men, hall and call. Yeah. The next question is, write the words which are used to create a sense of mystery. What is the meaning of mystery? I already told. It is nothing but a thing we can't able to understand, we can't able to explain or to express. Yeah. For example, in our poem line we all saw a line with a host of phantom listeners. In that line he's just imagining and he can't able to express what was going on that time. So he just imagined and he was thinking there was only a ghost present in that lonely house. So like that lines create the sense of mystery. Yeah. I hope you all understand these questions and these figure of speech. Thank you for your listening.